Do you know that there is no active steering system on a train? Then, how train wheels follow a curved track? Let's find out in this video. It will be easy to understand with 3D animation. This is a train coach and 2 bogies. Coach is fitted on the bogie frames. Wheel sets are connected with bogie using bearing. Thus, train weight is supported by the wheels. We already mentioned before that wheel set is actually 2 side-by-side wheels joined with center axle. It always rotates as a single unit. That means one side wheel cannot rotate faster than the wheel on the opposite side.